What's the meaning of crocus? Crocus. Crocus.
Crocus. Crocus. Crocus is a genus of flowering plants in the iris family, typically with funnel-shaped flowers in shades of purple, white, yellow, or orange. They are known for their early spring blooming and are cultivated for ornamental purposes as well as for the production of saffron, a popular spice used in cooking. The name crocus comes from the Greek word krokos, meaning saffron. The flowers are also associated with the legend of Crocus, a youth who was turned into a flower by the gods. In summary, crocus is a flower with beautiful colors and cultural significance.